Welcome to a new video on trading for beginner. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading a video of free stuffs like free RTP, free AI tools, free online tools and many other topics. Today in this video, I am going to introduce you with best free video editing software and which is Watermark free. This software is best for any level of video editor like beginner or pro, and it's a main competitor of Premiere Pro which will give you for free. Now first of all, open an internet browser and search DaVinci Resolve Black Magic Design DaVinci Resolve 18. Open this website. You can learn more about this by crawling its website, and also you can see here this software has been already used for editing Marvel's movies, so you are going to get professional level of video editing software for absolutely free. Now to get this software, click on this free download now, and also you can see this another option to buy online for $295. You will get lots of visual effects, motion graphic, color correction and audio post production all in a single software tool for Mac, Windows and Linux. I have a Windows one, so I am going through this Windows, and a simple form will be appear. You just have to fill this form with your detail, and also you have to give your email address, phone number and location. And after fill all this form, you can click on this register and download, and it will be automatically started to download on your local device. After download this software, you can simply install this on your PC. Here is this software. I had already installed this software and using this from past couple of years. In the starting, you will see your projects list and you can start new projects by clicking here. You can find thousands of tutorial video for DaVinci Resolve on YouTube. If you are a beginner, before start your video editing journey, I recommend you to check some of the video editing tutorial of this DaVinci Resolve on YouTube. Then you can start a project on DaVinci Resolve. I hope you love this video and find it helpful to search your best free video editing software for PC without watermark. If you love this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also press the subscribe button for trading for beginners and hit the bell icon for the latest update. As I already mentioned it on the starting of this video, I am regularly making a video related to free stuffs, free online tool, RDP, hosting and many other topics. So stay in touch with us. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.